Welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change color in Internet Explorer. So guys, if you want to change color in Internet Explorer, firstly open Internet Explorer. After click on icon settings, click on Internet options, click on general and click on colors and check this box. And if you want to text, change color, or if you want to background, visited and visited. So if you want to background, so select color, reference color and the customer color. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change color in Internet Explorer. Very easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.